How to remove sound from a video in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut, click on your video, and at the bottom, scroll to the left, and you'll find volume. Click on volume. Then you'll be able to adjust volume. Simply make it to 0, which is on the left side. After that, click on tick mark at the bottom right. You're good to go. This is one of the way. Second method is simply click on the video and scroll to the left. You'll find extract audio option. Click on extract audio and you'll find extracted audio at the bottom. Click on it and then click on delete at the bottom. You'll be able to delete the audio from the video. This is how to remove sound from a video in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.